All right, let's go everybody. Welcome back to another Future Affiliate Pro video. My name is Jamar. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a squeeze page that converted over 55% of the time for me. But before we get into that video, if this is your name right here, all you have to do is contact me on Instagram at FutureAFFPro and claim your prize. Just DM me and I will shoot you the link, and I hope you enjoy this package that I put together for you. So without wasting any more time, let's get into this video. All right, like I said before, I'll be giving you tips on how to create a landing page and or squeeze page that's converted really well for me. You'll be able to make this easily in 15 minutes or less on whatever platform you guys decide to, or a website that you guys use to build your squeeze pages. I make all my landing pages and funnels on ClickFunnels. I'll put a link down below for you can get a 14-day trial if you want to check it out. Also in the description below, I'm going to put the actual squeeze page that I'm building today if you guys want to clone my squeeze page for your own. If you already have ClickFunnels, all you're going to have to do, I'm sure you probably know this already, you're going to go into funnels or build a funnel. And just add new. And then you can choose either one of these, but I'm just going to go to create new funnel. And I'm going to choose to, it's going to be a squeeze page, so we're going to be collecting emails. And I'm going to label this demo squeeze page. And build funnel. And the one that I used, the template that I used was called Geo. And there's a whole bunch of, if you guys have never been into ClickFunnels, there's a whole hundreds of templates that you can use. Today I'm going to be using the Geo template. So it's this one right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to select template. And for brevity's sake, so we don't keep this video too long, we're going to get rid of the thank you page. So we're going to go into edit page. There are a lot of dangerous tricks that you can apply to your landing page or squeeze pages that have got to be really handled with care. You'll get incredible opt-in rates with the style of squeeze page I'm going to show you today, but what you do after that is equally important. Like, you don't want to send them to a garbage affiliate offer or anything like that. Once you get this person's email, you want to make sure you send them quality products so that they stay on your email list and they continue to buy from you over and over again. So what is a landing page or squeeze page, and why is 55% a lot? Well, 55% is a lot because the industry standard, I would say, is anywhere between 20 to 30% opt-in rates when people go to your squeeze page or landing page. The one thing, it's the first place that people are going to when either by free traffic or paid traffic strategies. This is where they're going to land, and it is completely crucial for you to grab their email so you can build a list, because you've probably heard the moniker, the money is in the list. Well, your list is going to be something that you'll own forever. The couple thousand emails that you collect over the time that you're an online marketer, affiliate marketer, those people are your audience, and you can send them promotional offers, and you can basically create a cash on demand type system. So a landing page is a web page that's designed to accomplish one goal. So some of these pages are specialized to create sales, but in our case today, we're talking about an email landing page, also known as a squeeze page. In the internet marketing space, like I said before, the industry average is like 20 or 30%. So most newbies don't even come close to that number. It's more like 5 to 10% because you guys aren't implementing the tricks that I'm implementing. I think I have this thing pretty much hacked, and I want to share it with you guys. So what makes a good landing page? There are a few tricks to creating a good page, and the main tricks are simplicity, curiosity, and promise. So let's build a page that has simplicity, curiosity, and promise in it. What we're going to do is really quickly, it's really easy to get rid of some stuff here. So the template that we have, we want to start deleting some of this stuff here. So we're going to trash our headline banner up here. And then here, we're going to get rid of this. And we're going to start with our headline. The headline is going to be, your main headline is your simplicity. And by simple, I mean that your squeeze page should have less than 50 words of text total. So in fact, it's almost always better to err on the side less is more. You want people to land on this squeeze page or landing page, and there shouldn't be any confusion as to what needs to be done. We're going to get rid of this video. And what we're going to do is we're just going to add a really simple image. It's going to go here. So right here is going to go an image. And up here, what we're going to type in is going to basically fill out the curiosity and the promise. All right. So what we're going to put here is, let's see. So simple two-step formula. Simple. At this point, you want it to be clear, and all of the testing shows that simple is probably the most crucial element. So simple two-step formula earns me over. You can just put a random number here, and today we'll do 146, 70, 74 dollars in 12 hours. And then we'll put something like this is weird. And then we'll put it, but it works. All right, so super simple. All I said was simple two-step formula earns me over $146.74 in 12 hours. This is weird, but it works. And what you'll want to do is you'll want to change, and we'll bold this, and we'll change the color to, we're going to have it match our submit button down here. And then what we'll do is real quick. So in bold and ClickFunnels, to change some of the text color, down here, the bold color, we'll change it to like a green. Yeah, something like this. Maybe a little more green. There. All right. So we got this right here, 28C320. So I'll write this down. 28C320. Or you can just take it and copy. And then when you go back here, you can change the color of your button here, background color. And then, so we'll do 28C 320. All right. So now our text in here and our button match. And then here, we'll write enter your name and email and click the button to get started now. And what we'll do is we'll make this a little bit smaller so it's just one line of text all the way across the top. So we'll take this and then we'll change the font down. See that? All right. So here, and you can also change the text font, but for today's video, I'm just going to leave this text just like this. We can also change the text inside here, so we'll do that real quick. Here we'll put enter your first name. Enter your first name, and then we'll change this to enter email address, but we'll kind of mirror it to be the same with the periods. All right, so the next thing to do, we can get rid of this disclaimer. So we'll delete. And we are actually almost done. All you have to do is add a personal image of yourself. And if you don't want to add a personal image of yourself, you can add just a random picture of somebody else. But I recommend that this person is coming to your email list and you want to build trust with this person because you're going to be promoting products to them in the future. So I would put a picture of yourself, and all you have to do is just upload a picture of yourself. And so I'll go into my uploads here, and then I'll just take this picture of myself. And then I will double click. And since it's a little big, I want it to kind of match next to where their email is going to go in. So all I have to do is click settings and then change the image width and say, I don't know, maybe 400, maybe smaller, 200. Oh, a little bit bigger. So 300. And then I can change the height if I want, or I can leave it. Yep, that looks fine just like that. So you have margins here, but here's a picture of me, and I've got, we can get rid of this, and we are almost done. So this block here, so the second part was the curiosity, and what I've done with this really short copy here is it's tempting visitors with a weird two-step formula. So what two steps? Why are they weird? So curiosity is like a hell of a drug. It's human nature. In psychology, it's called an open loop. An open loop occurs when somebody is given incomplete information. They want to fill in the blanks. And after all, it only takes a second to fill in the email and get the answers. So are you curious? And the last part is promise. So the last crucial element is the promise. So the promise is $146.74 in 12 hours. And with the value that you're giving them after the opt-in, that promise becomes attainable. So we're good there. The problems occur when you're building these squeeze pages, when you promise them 6-figure bank accounts in like 20 minutes and then dump low-grade spam after they give you their email. People's emails are personal, and you don't want to send them garbage or send them to a garbage affiliate offer. So make sure that you're sending them good quality products. So most people are happy when they get 30% opt-ins, but when I started just testing the really simple landing squeeze pages, I found that I was actually getting 40 and over 50% opt-in rates. So you guys can probably do just as good or better than the industry average by just putting this together. And just it took me like 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes. It's not hard if you use the right tools. ClickFunnels is the tools I use because it's the quickest for me. So down below here for the last part, to give them a little warm and fuzzy, all you have to do is just put in here, like, say, we value your privacy and will never spam you. And that's pretty much it. So what we can do, all you have to do at this point is just put your affiliate in here. If you go to settings and then you set action, you can put your go-to website URL so your affiliate link can go in there. And that is pretty much it for this squeeze page. It doesn't have to be difficult. It doesn't have to take you a long time. It should take you just a couple minutes to put this together. And we can save it. We'll save it real quick, and then we'll go and we'll preview it. So SEO metadata, we'll just put in here the best squeeze page ever. And then we'll put in here squeeze page, and then keywords. We're not going to worry about this right now. And then we'll click save again, and then we'll preview this page. And that's pretty much it. So we built our squeeze page. Now we can take this button and we can, put some motion on it if we want, or we can change the colors. There's a lot of split testing that you can do with this, right? I can add different photos here. I can add different colors here and here. I can use different fonts. You can just keep playing with it and playing with it and playing with it until you start to see opt-in rates start to climb, and then you've got your winner. And also, if you want to win a bonus training package from me, it's worth a couple $100. It's got lots of good stuff in there. All you guys have to do is make sure that you like this video, post a comment down below, make sure you're subscribed, and every video I'm going to be giving away another bonus training package. So make sure you guys do that. So check the link below if you guys want this squeeze page, and I'll see you guys in the next video.